This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Charlene Dinkla. Relax and enjoy life in this bright and open floor plan home. It features a large great room with vaulted ceilings and a beautiful view of the lush field outside. The spacious kitchen boasts granite countertops, ideal for cooking and entertaining. The owner's retreat is generously sized, complete with a walk-in closet and an additional private entry door for securely storing special items. The luxury bathroom includes a walk-in shower with dual shower heads and separate his and her vanities. The additional bedrooms are also spacious and offer ample closet space. There's a convenient laundry room located just off the kitchen, equipped with cabinetry for extra storage. As you stroll up the front sidewalk, you will be welcomed by lovely butterflies resting on the vibrant flowers that bloom in the yard. The outdoor space is filled with blooming plants, perfect for relaxation. Enjoy cooking out on the pavered lanai while watching the sunset. At night, you can appreciate the decorative lights installed in the lanai ceiling. The property also features a 2-car carport for parking and a storage shed in the backyard. This home is truly a gem and won't last long. For more information, review the details below.